Okay, in this video, we will solve this problem right here. And in the description box of this video, there are two playlists. One playlist has categorized limit problems, and the other playlist has random uncategorized problems. And so let's begin. So first, what I like to do is just plug in, see if it even works. Problem is, if x is approaching 0, I have a 0 right here. You can't divide by 0. Likewise, if this is 0, we have the square root of 4, which is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we have 0 divided by 0. And that's a big red flag that you have to approach this problem differently. One thing we can do is multiply by the conjugate. So what we're going to do is keep the square root. We're going to keep the square root. So we're going to have 5x plus 4. And we're going to do the opposite of negative, which is positive 2. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the denominator. So I'm just going to rewrite it. And next we are going to expand it out. So this piece times this piece is the same thing, except you don't have the square root anymore. Likewise, this piece times 2. And then you have negative 2 times this piece, which are the opposite, so they cancel out. And now we have negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. Divided by, we keep our x, we do our parentheses, and we can copy this piece right here. We have the square root of 5x plus 4. Outside there's a plus 2. We can close our parentheses. And next we can kind of clean it up a little bit. We have the limit as x approaches 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we have 5x divided by x, parentheses. We have the square root of 5x plus 4. And on the outside we have a plus 2. Now the x's can cancel out, and let's rewrite what we have now. So we have the limit as x is approaching 0 for 5 divided by the square root of 5x plus 4. Outside there's a plus 2. So now let's plug it in. We have 5 divided by the square root. 5 times 0 is 0, so we put a 0 plus 4. Outside there's a plus 2. And the square root of 4 is 2, so we're going to get 5 divided by 2 plus 2, which is 4. So this right here is our final answer, and that's all we need to do for this problem.